Hello pilots! In this video I'm going to show you how to upload the multispectral imagery that we captured using the M300 drone. So first I'm going to start by logging into Drone Deploy, and then I'm going to navigate to my projects. We're going to upload some data from the farm flights. I'm just going to get rid of this old one here. There we go. Okay, we're going to create a new project. Click New Project. Going to navigate to UCSC. Get us close to the farm. There we go. Just going to zoom in a little bit. Here, create the project here. It's actually there. And then I'm going to name it after my flight data. We're going to use the M300 Ultima multispectral data of the flight area of Strawberry Year 1 and cover crop. I'm just going to copy that name. Go back here. I'm going to paste it here. Again, folder naming helps. There we go. We're going to name this, or we're going to use the projection WGS84 again, UTM Zone 10. There we go. We're going to hit continue. Now, uploading the image is a little bit different. Imagery is just a little bit different. I'm going to go to the upload button here. We're going to go to special upload types, which includes multispectral and pre-processed imagery. And then we're going to upload a map or model. And then we're going to go down and we're going to select, it already includes the name for the map. We're going to select our multispectral files. And we're going to navigate to the folder containing the flight data. So we want Year 1 site. And remember, we have a calibration folder and a thermal data folder from the other video I talked about. The Drone Deploy doesn't process the thermal data effectively, and we don't need the calibration tiles in our final map. So I'm going to just select all of this data. There's quite a bit of it. There's about 1,800 files. There should be 5 copies of each image because each one representing the different bands. And then I'm just going to hit open. This is going to take a moment for Drone Deploy to just initially get the bearing of all of those images, and then it should bring up an upload button shortly. So I'll pause the video and we'll come back to it. Okay, and we are back, and what we have here is a preview of the upload area, and then each of these blue dots represents the camera points. We have a button right here to upload the images, about 11 gigabytes of data, and it says it's going to take about a little over 2.5 to 9 hours to actually process it online on the cloud. We don't need to be online the entire time, but the upload's going to take a chunk of time. I'm going to click the upload button here, and we're not going to sit here and watch that progress the whole time, but it's estimating doing that in about 30 minutes. I've switched over to a LAN connection instead of Wi-Fi, so this should go a lot faster. Okay, so we'll come back in about 20 minutes. All right, and we are back, and that went a lot faster, but 1,850 files have been uploaded. The map is being processed, and we just wait for 3 to 9 hours for it to process. So we can click on it to go to the project, and it will tell us that it is in processing, and that we'll receive an email when it's done. And that is it. All right. Stay tuned.